you have learned the different multiplication tables, the multiplication tables from 2 to 10, and you also know how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number without actually knowing the multiplication table of that 2-digit number. So, say for example, I have 12 into 6. Now I don't know the multiplication table of 12, but I know the multiplication table of 6. So using this, I can multiply 12 by 6. My 12 is called the multiplicand and 6 is called the multiplier, and the answer is called the product. So how do I do that? First, I start with the ones room. So 6 into 2. So the multiplier is multiplied with the individual digits in the rooms. So first I will multiply 6 with the digit in the ones room. 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Now when I have 12, that means I have 2 digits. But 2 digits cannot go in a single room. So I put the digit on the right in this room. And what is this? This is 1/10. So 1/10 will go in the tens room. What do I do next? Next, I need to multiply this 6 with the digit in the tens room. So for the time being, I don't consider this one. So here it is different from addition. In addition, we consider this one first. But in multiplication, I'll not take this one right now. First, I multiply 6 with 1. So 6 into 1. 6 into 1 is 6. And now I take this one. So 6 into 1 is 6. And I add this one. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I write 7 in the tens room. 72 is my product. So 72 is the product of 12 and 6, or 12 into 6 gives 72. So what did we do? When we need to carry a number, in case of multiplication, it is added at the end. That is after multiplying 6 with 1. So this one is added at the end. Let's do one more multiplication of this type. So this is 82 into 6. Now what is 82 into 6? First, I multiply the digit in the ones room. So 6 into 2. What is 6 into 2? 12. So I have 12. So 2, which is the ones digit, will go in the ones room, and the digit on the left will be carried to the tens room. So 1 will be carried to the tens room. Now what do? I don't consider this one right now. First, I need to multiply 6 and 8. So 6 into 8. What is 6 into 8? Recall the table of 6. 6 into 8 is 48. And now we take this one and add it to 48. So 48 plus 1 is 49. Once again, I have 2 digits. 2 digits cannot go to a single room. So 9, which is to the right, will go to the tens room. And what about this 4? 4 will go to the room on the left, which is the hundreds room. So 492. So the product is 492. So the product of 82 and 6 is 492, or 82 into 6 gives us 492. So in this case, we first carried over this one here. Then we added it to 6 into 8, which is 48. And we wrote 4 and 9 in their respective rooms. So 492 is the answer. Now let's do this. 27 into 4. So 4 is the multiplier. I need to multiply the individual digits by 4. What is 4 into 7? 4 into 7 is 28. So 4 into 7 is 28. I write 8 in the ones place. And what is carried over? 2. So I carry 2 to the tens room. Now what do I multiply 4 with now? I multiply 4 with this 2. So this is the 2 I need to multiply with 4. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. And what happens to this 2? This 2 is now added to 8. So 8 plus 2 gives me 10. 10 again is a 2-digit number. So both the digits will not fit in this room. So what do I write in this room? 0, the digit on the right, and the digit on the left is written here. So 108 is the product of 27 and 4, or 27 multiplied by 4 gives us 108. 27 into 4 gives us 108, 108. Now, can you try out this one on your own? What is 78 into 5? So once again, I start with the ones room. 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40. So it is 40. 0 is the ones digit. So 0 will go here. 4 is carried over to the tens room. Now I need to multiply 5 with 7. So 5 into 7 is 35. 5 into 7 is 35. And this 4 is then added to 35. 35 plus 4. 5 plus 4 gives me 9. And I have a 3 here. So 39. So this will be 39. 9, which is on the right, will go to the room on the right. 3, which is on the left, will go to the room on the left. So 390 is the answer, or the product of 78 and 5. So 78 is the multiplicand, 5 is the multiplier, and 390 is the product. So from multiply, I get multiplicand. From multiply, I get multiplier. And this is the answer. So you see, even without knowing the multiplication table of 78, you can have this multiplication done. That is 78 into 5, just by knowing the table of 5. And you see how important it is to remember all your tables very nicely. So do remember all the tables by heart so that you can perform 2-digit multiplications. So practice these multiplications till you can get them all correct. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.